name is Lucy. There once was a teacher. One day she brought some gifts to her class. She tied some gifts onto a tall tree. Then she told her class, "Everyone, look at the tree. Do you see those gifts on the tree?" "Yes, we do," said the student. "I tied some gifts on it for you. I will give those some I will give those some gifts to anyone who can get them." Yippee! All the students started run to the tall tree. All the students jumped as high as they could. Some students struck the tall tree. Other students threw stones, but the gifts did not fall on earth. All the students gave up. Then a girl named Samantha walked up to the tall teacher. "May I have a gift?" The teacher smiled and replied, "Yes, you may." The teacher took a gift off the tall tree. She gave it to Samantha. She was so happy. Bye.